Today, we've got an insane showdown between some of the most powerful performance sedans in the world. We're talking about the BMW M5, Audi RS7 Performance, and the Mercedes AMG E63 S. But this time, things are different, because the new M5 is now a plug-in hybrid. The big question is, will the extra weight slow it down? Or will electric torque make it unbeatable? Let's find out. Race 1, drag race. From the standstill, and wow, what a launch. The BMW M5 absolutely rockets off the line thanks to instant electric torque. The RS7 tries to keep up, while the E63 falls slightly behind early on.
Come on! Where's the E?
The results are in. First place, BMW M5, second place, Audi RS7, and third place, AMG E63 S. This one is simple. The M5 benefits from instant torque from the electric motor, while the RS7 and E63 rely on turbocharged V8 South, which have a slight delay in power delivery. Even though the M5 is heavier, it completely makes up for it with electric boost. Conclusion from a dig: hybrid power dominates. Race 2, roll race, rolling start. Now things get interesting.
Dusting the E63. The RS7 is in the rearview mirror already.
Oh, me and the Audi are in the same race.
M5 to the finish.
I think he just got me.
The M5 is still incredibly strong. The RS7 gets much closer, but the E63 struggles to keep up. Results? BMW M5 takes a close win, followed by the Audi RS7 and the AMG E63 S. In a rolling race, the electric advantage is reduced slightly. Horsepower and sustained power matter more. Still, the M5 holds the lead thanks to combined gas and electric power and strong mid-range acceleration. Conclusion: the M5 isn't just quick off the line, it's fast everywhere. But wait, a new monster enters. Suddenly, a new beast joins the race: the Mercedes AMG GT63 SE Performance. Over 800 horsepower and insane torque. Race starts, and it's not even close. The AMG completely destroys the M5.
Goodbye.
This is a different level, a more powerful hybrid system.
Goodbye, Mr. M5.
I can only do so much with 717.
Better performance setup and a massive torque advantage. This isn't a fair fight. This is a higher performance class. Now for a fun race. Electric only mode.
Oh yes.
Now things get
only.
weird. Both cars in
yes,
EV mode only.
That's
No
80
engine
kilometers
sound,
an hour.
no V8
That's
drama,
as far as I can go without
just
hitting the kickdown
silent
pedal, which
racing.
turns the engine on.
I've got 100% e-power going. Oh, what's he doing?
That's as far as I can go. I'm gonna win.
No! No!
Oh my God, I'm gonna win. This is the slowest drag race in a performance car ever.
Result: BMW M5 wins. Slowly, the M5 has a stronger electric system and better EV capability, but performance very slow compared to full power mode. Final verdict. After all races, who wins? First place goes to the BMW M5, the straight line king. Second place is the Audi RS7, performance very balanced and fast. Third place is the AMG E63, it's starting to show its age. If you want the fastest straight line car, go for the BMW M5. If you want pure driving fun, the E63 is still a legend. And if you want absolute madness, the GT63 SE Performance is on another level. At the end of the day, it's clear the future is hybrid. But here's the real question: do you prefer electric power or the classic V8? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.